Good morning, Nora. Good morning, Abdul. Good morning, Humaira. And good morning, Khadija.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. How are you all? How are you? Yes,
I'm
Abdul.
fine.
You're fine. That's great. Abdul, hi, Humaira. Good morning.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. Yes, Khadija, are you there? Knock, knock. Abdul, knock, knock. Are you there? Hi. Hello.
Hi, brother. I was eating, brother.
I was eating.
You were eating? Okay. So now done with your eating thing? Okay. So yes, Abdul. You also eating? Okay, now listen. Now we are going to do fun game and some activities. So you have to listen me carefully, Abdul. Please turn on the camera. We will do it together. Abdul. Knock, knock.
Yes.
Yes. Hi.
वो कैमरा ऑफ कर लो ना.
नहीं कैसे करें? मैम तो आपको देख ही नहीं पाएगी. Abdul, show me your cute little face, no? Hi. Okay, listen. Abdul, we are going to play one game. You have to go. I will ask you to bring something and you have to go run and bring it to me. All right? But be careful. All right, everyone ready? Humaira ready? Izan ready? Nora, Khadija ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? All right. Abdul, are you ready? Can I hear your voice? Are you ready? Okay. All right. Now you have to go and bring 5 toys of yours. 5. Go and bring 5 toys. Go. You have to do it by yourself. No help. Okay? Do it by yourself. I'm watching everyone. Abdul, if you are listening, you have to go bring your 5 toys and show it to your teacher. All right. Who is ready? Khadija, you ready? Can you count? You have to count and show.
1,
All eating things. Yes.
4, 5.
You're amazing. Give me high five. Trying. Give me a
She went.
very good. You are ready, Abdul? Can you please count and show?
Amma, what is art? Spelling art.
1, 4, like that. Abdul, count better. Count and show it to teacher.
1, 2, 3.
Show like this. 1, like this.
1, 2, 3.
क्या खा रहा है क्या खा रहा है यहाँ से निकाल के
5.
Good job. Try. All right, Huda. Hi, Huda. Good morning. 1 second, I'll come back to you, beta. Huda, you have to go and bring your 5 toys, okay, and show it to me. All right? Go run, bring your 5 toys. And you have to bring it by yourself. No helping. Yes, Izan? Count and show.
This is my big car.
Okay.
One.
Mm-hmm.
My puppet.
Puppet.
Two.
Okay. 2.
And this is my
Try.
toy.
Toy. Okay.
Game
3.
3.
Mm-hmm.
This is my taxi.
Taxi.
This is
Okay.
my car. Car.
Count.
Count.
Car.
Count.
Car.
After 3.
Count. Five आपके पास
2, 3, 4, 5.
only five.
Amazing. Only 5. Yes. Toying. Good job. Good job. Yes, Humaira. Oh my God, that baby. Yes, count.
1,
Hmm.
2,
Okay.
3,
Hmm.
4,
Yes.
5.
Oh, lovely. So many toys. I like it. Toying. Good job. Yes, Nora. Show me your toys. Count and show.
Onion. 1, chili. 2,
Okay.
beans. 3,
I like the accent.
top. 4, plate. 5.
Poet 5. Amazing. Good job. Toying. Give me high five. Huda, where are your toys? Show it to teacher. Hmm? Say one. Yes.
2,
Hmm.
3,
Yes.
4. मम्मा बहुत बड़ा है
Oh my God, ये actually बहुत बड़ा है. I want a horse ride in this. Very good, Uda. Well done. Give me high five. Toying. Toying. All right. Good job, everyone. Thumbs up. 2 thumbs up for everyone. Yes, Khadija Sheikh, are you there? Can you hear me? Hello. Beta, quickly run and bring your 5 toys, show it to teacher and count. Quickly, without wasting time. 5 toys of yours, bring it up, count and show it to me. Go, go, go. Be careful. Be careful. Okay, by the time she's coming, Abdul, can you tell me the spelling of 1?
20.
20. Very good. All right. Khadija, can you tell me the spelling of 2?
बोलो Khadija, you have to say Khadija. Yes, say the spelling of 2.
2.
ला नेट हमारा जाता है ना.
Tell me the spelling. I can see that. Tell me the spelling of 2.
Say the spelling of 2, Khadija. You can play it later. Khadija.
What is the spelling
Khadija.
of 2? Khadija.
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 Spelling of 2.
You know everything.
Okay.
You can play it later.
Okay, okay. Tell me the spelling.
Okay, fine.
Tell me the spelling of 2. Here. Khadija. You want to say it later?
W2.
Ah, very good. Good job. Good job.
4.
Yeah. Oh, you are 4.
5.
5. F-I-V-E 5.
6.
Good job. Well done. Well done. Done, 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 done. Yes, Izan. Tell me the spelling of 4. Spelling of 4.
F-U-R.
Perfect. Humaira, tell me the spelling of 5.
F-I-V-E 5.
Perfect. Huda, tell me the spelling of 1.
1.
Wait, teacher did ask you. You started.
बोलो spelling.
1.
O-N-E.
O-N-E. 1. Very good. Nora, tell me the spelling of 3. Nora, tell me the spelling of 3, beta. 3.
T-H-R-E-E 3.
Very good. Yes. Khadija Sheikh, yes, show me. Count
Yes,
your
ma'am.
toys.
1,
Hmm.
2, 3, 4, and 5.
Well done. Now tell me the spelling of 4.
1,
4, better spelling of
4.
4,
spelling. You have to tell the spelling. F.
A-F-O-U-R.
Perfect. Good job, everyone. Clap for yourself. Pat your back. Pat your back. All right. Now stand up quickly. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Stand up, everyone. Okay. Now you have to jump 3 times. Count and jump. I have to listen. Okay. Everyone, you can unmute. Yes. Count and jump.
1, 2, 3.
Very good. Come and well done, well done, well done. Okay, now everyone listen. Now you have to clap for 6 times. Okay? Clap for 6 times. Count and clap.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Right. 6. That's it. Still 6. Very good. Good job. Okay. Now one by one we will do. Okay. I'm keeping everyone on mute. Yes. Abdul, come close to the camera. Come close. Yes. Now you have to blink your eyes for 5 times like this. 1, 2, like this. 5 times. 2, 3. Perfect. Bus. That's it. Very good. But you have to count and blink. Count and blink. Abdul, count and blink.
Count. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
4, 5.
Good. Good job. I'm super proud. Yes. Nora. Count and blink for 4 times. Unmute, beta. Unmute.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's it. Well done. Yes, Khadija. Count and blink for 3 times.
1, 2, 3.
Good. Well done. Good job. Super proud. Well done, both of you. Yes, who will go next? Humaira. Count and blink for 6 times.
6 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Amazing. Yes, Izan. Count and blink for 5 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's it. Perfect. Huda, count and blink for 3 times.
चलो करो तू सेकंड बार ब्लिंक करो
Yes.
मेरे पास देखो ऐसे करो ना
You have to blink your eyes.
1 फिर हाँ हाँ
And 3. Open your eyes. Very good. Well done. Yes, Khadija Sheikh. Blink it for 4 times and count. Come on, beta. Khadija Sheikh, count and blink for 4 times.
Yes, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
How many? 4 times. Because it's 8. 4 times.
Okay, very good. Good job, Mama. Please pat their back. Oh my God, my kids are amazing. I'm super proud. Give me high five. Toing, toing, toing. All right, we are done with all the tests. Amazing. I'll see you on Monday. Okay, bye-bye.
मैम हुदा wants ice cream
You want ice cream? Okay, I'll give you that.
I want ice cream, ma'am.
Yes, here it is.
Whatever you want, you get from here.
What else you
I
need?
want ice cream. Ice cream,
Ice
ma'am.
cream, other than ice cream, whatever you want, you can ask.
Rainbow ice cream.
Cream.
Yeah, here it is. I'll give you donut. Tell me what else you want. Cake. And then I can give you a chocolate. What else you guys want? 100 out of 100. I'm so happy today.
Thank you.
We will do fun with it, okay? All right, kids. Bye-bye. Thank you. Okay. Bye. See ya.
Thank you.
What?
thank you
Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. Thank you. Bye-bye.